Hi everyone, Rainey with YMIgreen.com, and I'm here today to give you an update on my kiddie pool system. It's very windy, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me. So let's get started. Okay, so here we go. This is the complete system. I'm standing here in the corner right now, so the wind's not going to get me too much. As you can see, over there is the main water bucket. It's about, I think about 30 or 40 gallons. So that drains into the little bucket here with the float, which goes into all the individual kiddie pools. You can see there's about maybe an inch to an inch and a half of water in the bottom of each pool. And there's tubes that go from one pool to the other to make sure that they all have the same amount of water. And that pool over there has a hole on the outside, the far one, about 2 inches high, which is a drain. And that little tube coming up there is an overflow from the intake. What I do is I open that up and let it go down. It's a long tube actually, go down the edge of the deck. And by doing that, I can flush out all the system if I want a few times, probably a few times a month, just to make sure there's no mosquito buildup or too much stagnant water. So as for what I have, these are mostly different kinds of tomatoes, and I'm going to be putting in more tomatoes, big boys and things like that. Down there is a cherry tomato, and most of the others are all bell peppers, jalapenos, and different kinds of peppers. We like peppers. And down against the far wall, way down over there, those are my peas. And those aren't connected to the system, so I have to put water in there manually. And in the middle, you'll notice that I have a smaller, a 4-gallon bucket. These are all 5-gallon grow bags. I have 4-gallon grow bags in the middle of each one. And 2 days ago, I planted corn, actually popcorn, 2 different kinds of popcorn in the middle. So I got 2 or 3 stalks in the middle of each one of those bags, and string beans going around the edge. So as the corn grows, the string beans will grow up around the stalk, and so it'll give them something to grow on. Of course, they're going to get too tall, and I'll make a trellis then. Works very well because corn and string beans both put off something to help each other to grow. It's kind of a symbiotic relationship of plants. And of course, you can see I have marigolds planted around, only because we're having troubles with the squirrels. They were digging my little plants out when I put them in every single morning. Since I put the marigolds in there, I haven't had trouble at all with squirrels, except for in the 3 pea plants, which I haven't put any marigolds in there. So that's my system. I wanted to come out and show it to you. It's growing really well. The grow bags have been pulling up only the amount of water they need, and that's the whole idea of this. And I only have to fill that big bucket, well, once I get going, because I've had to fill it a lot to set this up, but once it gets going, probably once or twice a week. So that's a lot nicer. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know, and we'll try to answer them on the spot or bring them up in a future video. So you have a great day, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.